Hey, hope you guys are doing good. I want to go over a little useful application I built over the weekend. My friends had invited me on a trip to Cape Town. I had some business to deal with, so I did not go. However, one good thing did come from that non trip. Finding affordable flights is time consuming, so I decided to remove that annoyance by building an application that can find flights for me. Here is the final product. Let me run it so you can actually see the output. So just run that. And it will take some time because it's actually pulling from a few APIs. So it's making web requests. So we should expect it to take some time. And there we go. So essentially, the way it works is, as you see, we have departure cities using an IATA code and arrival cities using an IATA code, the currency code being ZAR, so that's the South African Rand, and the cost associated with the flight. And it's quite simple. It takes an origin city and a destination city, and it finds cheap flights, or should I say, flights that you find affordable, based on a predefined expense that you are willing to pay. So I think that's pretty cool. The code's above here. Obviously, it's on all the code, as you can see. A lot of the code is abstracted away in classes. But yeah, that's all for today.